dari langit, bukan dari bulan berlemuk tak?
Bukan?
Tak, ni dia jalan.
Mr. Bean merupakan satu karakter yang agak cacah merbah macam tu. Kelang kabut tapi sentiasa penuh dengan idea.
Saya suka masa yang masa sambutan Christmas, saya rasa ada satu episod tu yang dia punya biskut semua dah habis, lepas tu dia ambil ranting kayu, dia celup, dia letak, lepas tu girlfriend dia ingatkan dia bagi cincin tapi sebenarnya tu penyangkut untuk gambar.
Dan Mr. Bean adalah satu karakter yang dilakonkan oleh Rowan Atkinson. Jadi program yang diproduksikan oleh Tiger Television kemudian berganti menjadi Tiger Aspect, dan Rowan Atkinson adalah pemegang saham utamanya. Dan kita bawakan lelaki yang menjadi impersonator Mr. Bean, dikenali sebagai Mr. Bean Malaysia.
Hello.
Kita bawakan Encik 5 kucing.
5 kucing, 5 cat.
5 cat.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Sama.
Mr. Faket Luari dan beliau berasal dari Albania. Tapi kita panggil dia Mr. Bean lah. Okey. Selamat datang.
Oh, thank you.
dan istimewanya Mr. Bean kita ni sebab beliau boleh berbahasa Malaysia.
Yelah, sikit-sikit lah.
Boleh. Sikit.
Ke suara dia yang buat alih suara?
Mungkin dia.
Is it you doing that translation? No. Okay. After you, Mr. Bean, after your video doing performance at Sri Mawa School in Miri goes viral when it was watched almost 1 million times, what is your first impression?
Seronok.
Seronok sangat.
Very, very happy.
Very,
Yes.
very happy.
Happy.
Okay. Since when do you start to do performing as Mr. Bean?
Teddy. Check with Teddy first. Teddy. 5 years ago. 5 tahun.
5 tahun.
Yes.
Sewaktu itu berada di Malaysia ataupun berada di Albania?
Malaysia. Buatan Malaysia.
Wah. Ada orang tanya dekat Facebook ni, Azizi Ramli kata tak penat ke dia buat muka macam tu? Aren't you tired making that face?
People pay for that.
Dapat duit sudah.
Kan, yang penting duit katanya.
Kata Arif kan, kata putih melepak bahang. Okay.
Mula-mula datang Malaysia untuk kerja atau
Long time. I study, kerja, business, kahwin. Ada anak-anak. Semualah package itu.
So sekarang orang Albania ke orang Malaysia? Campur lah.
Orang Albania.
Orang Albania. Berasal dari barat. Bila saya cerita saya pernah pergi Tirana, dia seronok.
Yes.
Tirana sangat cantik. Dia kata barat lagi cantik.
Lagi cantik.
Kata Hafiz John Smith, kata serupa weh.
Serupa, memang sama.
Exactly like Mr. Bean.
Thank you.
What give you the Fakat, what give you the courage to make a performance in front of people, as it is not easy to be an impersonator, plus you have to act like one of the famous character in the world, Mr. Bean?
That's a difficult one. Can I change character now?
If I can. Can.
Okay, Fakat. Hello.
Okay, change character now. Okay. No more Bean.
Boleh sekejap lagi jadi Bean. Jangan buka baju.
Ayo, buka baju. Okay. Well, to be frank, 5 years ago, we were traveling with a group of friends in Bali, Indonesia. And then about 20 of us, some from Malaysia, Indonesia, Sabah, Sarawakians, you know. And then we went to this particular tourist attraction in Bali.
Okay.
Where the Mr. Bean drawing was there. You know. Then I just felt like going and do that Beanie expression next to the drawing. You know, just acted like Bean, you know. And then suddenly all the friends came over. I started taking photos. They said, "Hey, don't move. You look like him. You look like him." so all our friends started taking photo. Suddenly, all the tourists came. Also, the tourists came and said, "Hey, wait, few minutes. Let's take more photos of you, because you look, like him." You know. And then on that same day, my godfather, my spiritual father, told me, said, "Hey, you must do this. You must start doing shows as Mr. Bean." You know, so that's how it's all started actually in Bali, Indonesia. You know, yeah. Before that, a few friends will say once in a while, "Hey, you look like him in certain positions," you know.
But then you think they were joking with you?
Exactly.
Okay, but before you become Mr. Bean impersonator, what do you do for a living?
Oh, interesting. I started my career, my journey after graduation in sales and marketing. I ventured into marketing research, consultant and trainer, which I still do. Yeah, I still do. I still do trainings, workshops. Yeah, and basically my transition from, you know, from that career was during the time I was still doing market research, training and consultancy. Then I moved into the Bean career. Yes.
But then you still doing your permanent job, and Mr. Bean is only part of
Yeah, we still do our business. We have a company. We create video contents, online content, social media content. I still do training and coaching. Yeah, actually, me and my wife, we have developed very interesting workshops for children as young as 7 years old. We call it Life Series Program. We want to train the young generations to be successful in life. We cover things like creativity, character building, communication, leadership, and money management. So it's a very holistic approach. As young as 7 and above, we teach and train them. So we go to schools. That's why sometimes we use Bean character to attract the children, to attract the parents. You know, to show them that, you know, you can also use characters, you know, who are famous, you know, doing macam marketing lah. And then we introduce our programs.
Okay, Hafiz Azmi dia tanya, kening tu buat ke ataupun memang original macam tu di eyebrow?
Ini original lah. Tak ada plastic surgery, nothing.
Tak ada,
memang
tak ada.
Yeah.
Okay. Baik, kita akan sambung bicara kita bersama-sama dengan Mr. Bean Malaysia.
Real.
Nantinya kita akan lepas 5 utama, kita akan buka lagu Mr. Bean dan kita akan minta Mr. Bean Malaysia untuk lakonkan beberapa watak yang Mr. Bean suka buat. Antaranya yang hello itu. Hello.
Yelah,
tu.
main dengan Teddy semua
main
kan.
dengan Teddy tu.
Jangan suruh dia.
Yang tu tak mau, yang menari tu tak nak, okey. Tapi
Dia nak.
Tapi itu semua selepas ini sebab kita nak berhenti seketika untuk kemas kini berita dalam 5 utama. Terus bersama-sama kami dalam Mentari Minda.
Menyinari pagi anda.
It's called The Giving Bank.
Okay,
thegivingbank.com. We launch it in March, and I'm one of in the committee with my wife. I'm the engagement director. So any CSR that we do, we represent the Giving Bank. All right. So what happened is we went to the 2 schools, all right, in this kind of collaboration, representing Miri Council, who brought us, Sarawak Convention Bureau, and the Giving Bank. All right. So these 3 parties came in together and said, let's do this for the children. And that's how this came about. The school came about. Yes, that's right.
Okay. Ada yang tanya berapa banyak ada patung tu?
This one very important.
Original?
Very,
yeah.
Yes, of course. Nowadays, I need to keep extra because many occasions
hilang.
Yes. Hilang or orang curi.
Teddy kena kidnap weh.
Yeah, I was doing an event for, not really event, we were doing a walkabout for, cannot say. Cannot say.
Muhammad Zaki.
Somebody took the
Muhammad Zaki got a question for you.
Yes.
On the way to the studio, do you brush your teeth inside your car? Ada yang tanya, muka tu asli ke bro?
Tak ada plastik.
Is it original? The face? The
Original. More ada makeup sikit.
Ada yang tanya, you ada ke kereta Mr. Bean tu? Yang lock dia macam lock rumah tu.
Belum lagi. Toy punya ada. Toy ada.
Toy ada. Wow. Sejam
akan datang.
Sejam rasa tak cukup lah.
Aris Kamal, I love you Mr. Bean.
I love you too. Thank you.
Wow.
Okay. Kata Ashraf, bila nak buat movie Mr. Bean yang baru?
Actually, that's a good point. I always want to do a movie or video series, you know, like social media mini series videos to show Malaysian culture to the world. You know, like Mr. Bean is from UK, but I say Oluk Lang. You know, imagine this character from UK comes to Malaysia. He wants to drink English tea, but in Malaysia we want to introduce him to teh tarik.
Saya ada satu soalan. Makcik garang rambut kembang tu duduk sebelah rumah ke yang bela kucing tu? Alah, yang you sewa rumah dia tu. Makcik
You know,
garang.
the old lady, the fat lady with big hair, that which is you rent the house from.
Serious?
No, I mean inside the character, the cartoon character. The one that have cats.
Yes.
Do you know? Do you really know her?
Oh.
Ada orang tanya. I mean the character. I mean, this is the colors of questions when it comes to Mr. Bean. Wow.
Okay.
She gives me a hard time.
Tapi anda boleh ikuti Mr. Michael sebenarnya di laman media sosial.
5 5
cat.
CAT cat. Okay.
5 cat.
5 cat.
Yes, please like and share. Yes.
Okay. How to reach you if anyone want to invite you for a performance?
Oh, okay. Well, Facebook is the
One
best
of the
nowadays.
medium.
Yes. They can call our number. Is it okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. 016 33 11 375.
375.
Yes.
That's for bookings and stuff lah.
Yes.
Alright.
Baik, Amar. Itu saja masa kita ada sebenarnya.
Ya benar.
Untuk bersama-sama dengan
We don't have any more times, but we really enjoyed the talk. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Sabah.
Awak Sava.
thank you.
Saya dah tiba-tiba nak nyanyi lagu Hindustan pula dah. Shava. Macam tu
Ayo.
pula. Okey. Baik, terima kasih untuk anda yang mendengarkan kami sampai 6 pagi tadi sehinggalah waktu ini. Bersama-sama dengan kami dalam Mentari Minda. InsyaAllah esok kita akan kembali lagi dalam Mentari Minda. Selepas ini Natasha Aimi akan bersama-sama anda dalam Janji Temu. Mewakili pengawal kandungan Khairul Hakimi, penerbit berita Farid Ahmad dibantu Fauzan Azmi. Saya Raifah Zulkifli.
Saya Maurice. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.